salvation. You know, when it comes to this is not a religion, but when it comes to salvation, I think we have a problem of bowing and worshiping. But when we watch Muslim people, on Friday, even if you can go to any shop of the Muslims, they won't open at 12 o'clock because it's their time to bow. Regardless of the money that you bring. But unfortunately, that time is for them and their God. But when it comes to Christianity, we just say we bow down and worship. There's not even a sense of bowing the herd. I just want you to I want to challenge you, church, even in this celebration. If you can, just wherever you are, let us bow to the Lord as we gonna welcome the man of God to come and take the podium. We bow down and Jesus. We bow down.